everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, using my digital file, how to create a 3-tuck pocket using one piece of paper. So once you print out the digital, and the link for it is down below, you're going to notice that on this side there's going to be some glow edges that print on it. Those are going to be your crease and your cut lines. So the first thing you want to do, you can see that there's the back side, there's the front side. This side is going to be the inside of your tuck. So you're not going to see as much of this as you are this. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. Okay, so when you're done, you're going to have a nice tight crease along here. And then you're going to cut here to the center and here to the center. I just did all this to save time to show you. And then you're going to fold the crease up there, the crease up there, and these two down so that it matches right there along that center line. Okay, so those are nice and tight creases. We're going to fold it over, and this is where we're going to create our tuck. We are going to fold it in this way, in this way. We have a crease right here. Fold that, and there's tuck number one, and you just glue along here to seal that. Then we're going to flip it around and do the same thing. We're going to tuck that in, tuck that in, tuck that in, tuck that in. So that's how it looks, and then that crease in half is already going to fold, and then we're going to glue that down. So we'll have a pocket here and we'll have a pocket here. Now our third hidden pocket, what we're going to do is we're going to just kind of open the flap up a bit, and we are going to glue here and here and here. Then once it's glued, we're not going to glue on the top, just kidding. We are just going to glue here and here, L shape. So once that is glued, then we'll have a little side pocket here in which we can put our little ephemera pieces. So easy peasy. And then we'll have here on this side, I'm just holding it together, but you can imagine if it's glued. Things there. You can tuck those in further and just keep the little tabs sticking out. We have tickets we can put there, little bees. Okay, we got things for the front. So it's a really easy 3 hidden pocket. And what I actually like to do is you'll get 6 of these squares. I just glue them front and back, so that way I have something on each side. Okay, same thing with the tags. I really like lining them up and gluing them so you have something on each side of them. And that's just a little insert, and here's another little tag. And then this one's free to decorate. This one you can write on the back. That one you could write on. You have your little library card you could write on. And the one with the little trucks on the back of the little seed packet you can write on. So there you go. That's everything you need. So link down below in Etsy to purchase this template. Super easy. I will see you guys next time. Bye.